Colloidal state of matter. Thomas Graham classified substances into two categories depending upon the rate of their diffusion across vegetable animal membrane or parchment membrane paper. Substances like common salt, sugar, urea, etc., which diffuse readily, easily, were termed as crystalloids. जो जल्दी से फिल्टर पेपर के थ्रू पास हो जाएं, उनको हम क्रिस्टलॉइड्स कहते हैं. ड्यू टू देयर क्रिस्टलाइन नेचर, amorphous substances like gelatin, starch, gum, which exhibit little or no tendency to diffuse through the membrane, are termed as colloids. However, it was soon realized that the above classification was not perfect, since many crystalline substances can be converted into colloid solution by suitable methods. For example, colloidal solution of NaCl can be obtained in benzene. इसका मतलब है कि NaCl वाटर में तो क्रिस्टलॉइड है, but benzene में it is a colloidal solution. So colloid is not a substance, but it is a state of a substance. Graham's classification was discarded. So colloidal state, a state in which the size of particles is from 1 to 1000 nanometer that can pass through the filter paper, but not through animal or vegetable membrane, depending on the size of particles. Dispersion system can be classified into three types: true solution, colloidal solution, and suspension solution. So true solution is homogeneous. Particle size is less than 1 nanometer. It can pass through ordinary filter paper as well as animal membrane. Particles are invisible. A true solution do not settle down. Particles can diffuse easily, quickly. It is clear and transparent. Colloidal solution is heterogeneous in nature. Particle size is between 1 to 1000 nanometer. Particles can pass through ordinary filter paper, but not through animal membrane. Particles are visible only under ultra microscope. Particles do not settle, they diffuse slowly, and colloidal solution is translucent. Suspension solution is heterogeneous. Size of solute particles is more than 1000 nanometer. They do not pass through filter paper. But they can also pass through animal membrane. Particles are visible to naked eyes or under a microscope, settle on standing. They do not diffuse, and suspension solution is opaque in color, is opaque.